Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CRO daily update. We are going to see if we have a breakout or not. Before we begin though, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Link in the description box. Links actually in the description box. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, BuyMeACoffee/MindYourCrypto, or our site BillMindYourCrypto.com. You will get tons of benefits, including an automated system with buying and selling opportunities for 200 altcoins. That's right, you will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. Live trading, manual system with over 90% win ratio. Everything is automated for you. Educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands. Market updates, random giveaways, pine scripts for trading view, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go and proceed real quickly into CRO. Do we have a breakout from now? Because we are seeing some interesting things right here. First of all, we had a very oversold situation on the commodity channel index. Now we are getting a higher low, but the position remains the same. We also have a very strong support level at around 0.42 to 0.40. Okay. So around this area, it is possible to have a little bit of an upside in the next few hours to the next few days as well. We will see how long this will last. We also have an oversold with the Fisher transform, a higher low and the same low in the price. That means that we are getting a nice, very nice, actually bullish Fisher transform divergence, I would say. When we get a higher low in the Fisher transform but a lower low or the same low in the price, it is very good. Okay, it is very good to see that, and of course we could potentially go even higher. Okay, we are seeing now the risk metrics and we are seeing that we have a pretty much of an oversold situation. But now we want to see the next targets. Let's start with CRO against Bitcoin chart. Here we were on the daily frame, so that means it candlestick contains 1 day of price action. If we go to the CRO against Bitcoin, you will see that for now we are below the 20-day and the 50-day exponential moving average. All we do not want to see is a bearish cross between the 20-day and the 50-day EMA. For the time being though, we have the same risk metrics, an oversold situation with the Fisher transform, the commodity channel index as well. The RSI is not in an oversold, however we could potentially go even higher, have a swing high, maybe not having the swing high that we expect, but a nice swing high of relief would be the case here for CRO as well. Okay. And of course, we could potentially go into the 0.401072. Okay, we could go potentially into higher levels as well, and maybe the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, starting the Fibonacci from the top on 2nd January to the bottom on 20 January as well. Okay, so we could go further above and break above the 50-day exponential and the 20-day, and we could go to the next price targets right here. Maybe we could go even higher, but this doesn't mean that we will turn out to be bullish again and go all the way higher. Okay, this does mean that we will have probably a swing high of relief and go to the targets that we mentioned in the video right now. All right, so let's go to the next targets for CRO against USD. We go to the lower time frames, okay, and we are going to the 4-hour frame. So this means every candlestick contains 4 hours of price action. What I want to see right here is one major thing. First of all, we are going to see the Fibonacci retracement resistance levels from the top we had back on 15 January to this bottom. So the first resistance level should be on the short term, the 0.45, and we have one more at the 0.456 around there, which is the 50-day exponential moving average. Okay, so right here it is possible to retrace a little bit, but after we have the 0.463, and if we are about to break this line and close above, then it is possible that we can get also to the 0.485. On the time being though, we focus more on these resistance levels and the next targets for CRO against USDT, and we will see if we can reach the 0.48. This is for the short term. This is for the next hours to the next 2 to 3 days. These targets right here. Okay. So I can make sure that I will upload and update this video, or if you want me to daily update, you can write in the comments. We will go now to the line break system right here on the daily frame, and you can see that this line really helps sometimes in identifying major uptrends. Sometimes we do not have the pump ups that we expect, but some other times, you can see back here on 12 January, we had the red candlesticks, started this uptrend, now we might be forming again a nice green candlestick, and we might be going even higher. You can see that it is forming right now on the line break. Okay, this line break right here connects the closing conditions, all right, of the previous candlestick. And of course on the line break, what do we have is that we do not include the time right here, okay? But when you go on the 4-hour frame, this means the minimum we can see between two candlesticks is the 4 hours and so on. It is a little bit difficult to explain. And of course though, if you want more educational videos like this and more explanation and easy profits, you can join our premium group, and you can find the links in the description box. Patreon/MindYourCrypto, buy me a coffee, or buy me a coffee actually, or our site buildmindyourcrypto.com. Anyway, I think that we have the next targets for CRO, and of course we are going to see the next targets as well that we talked about in the video. If we want to get bullish again, we have to see many things right there. I think that we will go longer into seeing the 0.98 as well in the long term, not in the short term. Do not expect that, okay? And of course, thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.